looking at a single market, but a single use case first. As a startup, your brand is built around what you do first.
Demand regulation stuff.
So it's about singularity of focus.
Are smart. I mean, we're seeing waves of Chinese talents that will.
Chocolate again is the next business around looking at how do you get better returns.
Make sure that you succeed in one place really, really well.
Talents back, they will think hard again about how to be making better money in China.
This is going to be the global template for multi-country connectivity. Singapore, India, payment connectivity, people should appreciate the complexity and the vision of Prime Minister Modi to think about it and talk to our Prime Minister Lee, and able to come together and put this complex project into action and get it done. Get it done in the G20 presidency time.
Make sure that you succeed in one place really, really well. There is no doubt left in anybody's mind that is it to internationalize. Binru, I have a question for you which is on China, given your expertise in that market. But China is shrinking. Do you expect this to continue?
Innovation hub, how do you drive innovations which are applicable for Southeast Asia?
Years. Is that a thing of the past?
Thanks for the question. So I have spent maybe the last decade for it. A lot of people ask me if I'm from China. I think there is definitely still
problem experience only then to drive innovation. And as an innovation center lead, how do you drive that experience which is this NT of being in China?
IP that much, they value a lot of customization and maybe also cheap resources at their site. And that didn't come. The technology from China to outside of China really face a challenge of how to make it light and agile for the smaller countries.
Scale into each of the different markets in Southeast Asia. Generally, the preference is go into the larger market, Indonesia, which is 20.
Is still borderless?
Definitely still borderless. Yes, prove their tech a little. Yeah, so in different ways.
And if you try and scale individually into each of the Southeast Asian markets, and Indonesia is Jakarta, and maybe some other second tier, the TAM market that you think that you're addressing.
Pass in my opinion, because I believe technology is internet.
Not well established in Indonesia. So if I bought something online,
some of them are coming out. I have personally moved from One Connect, which is a Web2 company, to change.
Very interested in India, given what's happening with the Aadhaar tech stack, what's happening with the entire India tech stack, in fact. Yeah, I mean, so in my startup, we make enterprise software for banks, and we spent 2.5 years trying to sell into Asia Pacific